How to install APK files on Windows 11. Open Microsoft Store, search APK Installer. Click on APK Installer set. Click on Get button. Open it. Click on Select and choose an APK file. ADB driver is missing. Click on Download. Click Allow. Click Install WSF. You will redirect to Microsoft Store. Click on Get. Open it. We need to turn on virtualization. I have already turned on virtualization from BIOS. After that, go to Start menu. Search Windows Features. Click on it. Search Virtual Machine Platform. Select its checkbox. Click OK. Now restart it. Reopen the APK installer. Resume installation. Now go to Settings. Search Developer. Go to Developer Settings. Turn on Developer Mode. Click Yes to confirm. Reopen the APK installer. Select APK file again. Now click on Install. After successfully installed, click on Launch. And that's how you can install APK files on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.